crap. You just you just peck the back of my head. Just stick around. I don't know why. Just stick around. It's crap. It's crap. And I don't have any idea how that got there. Oh my, oh my. You just have to trust me that it's gonna be good. Let's do a counter how many times I say crap. So I'm screwed. Just crap. Aren't you glad you tuned into this video? Oh my gosh. Crap. I said crap again. That's just it. It's crap. It's crap. Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I thought I would make a cooking video because I like to make cooking videos. I think they're fun and I think you guys like them. I don't know. And we're going to give you an update on how I'm feeling with my COVID crap, long haul crap, all the other crap. Just crap. It's crap. Let's do a counter how many times I say crap in this video because that's how I feel today. I have to make dinner for Rob today because it's Friday and we have went out to dinner, or ordered out, not went out, had pickup or drive-through for the last 4 nights, and I can't do that tonight. I need to make something, so we're gonna do that today. And what I'm making is these frozen lasagna things. They're cheese lasagna rolls I got at Aldis when I did my pickup order. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. So stick around because we're gonna just stick around. I don't know why. Just stick around. And I have this Hunt's tomato, garlic, and herb pasta sauce that we're gonna put over top these noodles. That's what we're doing today. I know, great? Isn't it great? I've been like busy all week. I've been gone, let's see, Monday and Tuesday I had to sleep half the day. I did that, and one of my children got hurt their back, so I've been taking care of that situation because if anybody knows about back injuries, it's this girl. I have what do I have? Oh my gosh. I have a rod in my thoracic spine, and your thoracic spine is the center. So like back here, my back I've got a rod. It's about yay long. Yeah. And then I've had 2 neck fusions, so my children, I feel bad for them because they're like their mother. Some of them are anyway. Anyway, I had COVID in December. I had COVID pneumonia in December. And I am now a long hauler because I still have the residual effects of this COVID crap. Crap. I said crap again. I'm going to cut the package open. I also have fibromyalgia. And I have chronic fatigue. So I'm screwed. I'm screwed. There's nothing else. That's just it. My life is spent sleeping and saying I'm so tired, or my back hurts, or something. Now, this is the first lasagna tray. There's 2 of these tray thingies in there. In this box, there's 2 trays of these rolled lasagna, pre-made with processed, probably meat and all the good things. There's 2 of these trays. And as you can see, they're frozen together. So all I'm going to do is put them in this pan. And there's dinner. That's it. Aren't you glad you tuned into this video? Oh my gosh. So my chronic fatigue is all flared up. My fibromyalgia is really flared up. And I'm just trying to get through. That's all I'm trying to do. The doctor said it's probably going to be well into summer before I start feeling better. Yay me. Yeah, so I'm just dealing with it. I can't talk. And I can't breathe. I get short of breath very easily, and you could tell with my talking that it's just all, it's crap. It's crap. Again, I said crap. I now have dreams at night. I started having like, not nightmare dreams, but I have dreams more since COVID, and I never dreamed before. I'm not a person that dreams every night. I'm also sleepwalking now, which has turned into me a lot of fun. Let's see, one night, I'll show you, come with me. My laptop always sits on my couch right here, and I edit here. This is my editing spot, and the cord down here is on the floor. You see the cord, it goes behind the wall, and it's behind the couch. Well, I woke myself up one night trying to get the cord out from underneath the couch. I was picking up the couch and yanking on the cord, and I woke myself up yanking on the cord, and I was picking the couch up, and I can't lift things anyway because of my fusions. Here I am trying to pick the couch up with one hand and pull the cord out with the other. It was stuck. So I was doing that, and I'm thinking, what am I, oh my gosh, oh my, I just went back to bed. And then I woke up one night, look, I'll be right back, I'll show you what I had. Alright, I can't find what I had. Rob must have eaten it all. But you know the Nature Valley granola snacks that are like thin and extremely crunchy? Well, I woke up one morning and I'm like, what am I felt like I was laying on glass. Here, I woke up one morning and I had one of those, a package open, and one of them was out of the package, broken up, and it was all over my bed. And I don't have any idea how that got there. I have no idea. So, yeah, and then it gets better. It gets much better. And then one night, I got up and I put my iPad in the microwave and I cooked my iPad. It still smells. See the burn? See that burn mark right there? And then there's a burn mark on the other side too. You can't see that one as much, but the screen is cracked and it doesn't work anymore. So I broke my iPad. Oh, the burn, it's there, the other burn mark. It burned that side. So that happened, and it still smells terrible. It would turn on after I fried it in the microwave. But there was like a white across the bottom, and it won't hook to the Wi-Fi, and things just won't open now. And I don't even think now it turns on. So yeah, that happened. So I don't, Rob probably needs to put like an alarm on the bedroom door. Every time his wife gets up, you never know what's gonna happen. But that's the most expensive problem that has happened so far, other than all the medication that I'm taking and all the other things, and all the food that we have to order out because his wife doesn't feel like cooking. In the morning, if I'm feeling good, I'll put something in a crock pot. I will do that. But if I don't feel good in the morning, then we have to order out dinner. Anybody out there in YouTube land that wants to send us some food for dinner, feel free. Hit me up in my email. Feel free. Oh, jeez. All right, now on top of these, we're gonna pour this. Here, I'll move you down so you don't miss it. Lord knows you wouldn't want to miss me opening a can of sauce to pour over our processed meat lasagna noodles. But that's what's for dinner. Take this off carefully. Wiggle it if you have to. Can you hear that noise in the background? That's our well. I'm also doing laundry today because I haven't felt good enough to do laundry either. So we're gonna pour this over top. Well, you know what? Let's lift up the batch and get some on the bottom there. There, it can just swim in all the. Might as well just pour the whole can in there. And if you had mozzarella cheese, you could put that on top of this. Let's see if I have any. Don't have any of that, but I found this processed cheese. We have hot pepper, and we have just the American. So we're just gonna put that on top there. We'll put one there. We'll do one side with hot and one side with the American. I'm really hoping that I'll be able to garden this year because I really enjoy doing that. See, cooking is just do what you have. You know, if you have this kind of cheese, just use this kind of cheese. You don't have to be really picky when you cook.
I need more cheese.
Let me go find more cheese. Oh, there. See my cat? My cat wants this. Here, I got another one. There, dinner. Now I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil and put it in the refrigerator. And yeah, we're going to cook it later. You just have to trust me that it's going to be good. I mean, it's like frozen meal put together by a human. Now, let me get a, ouch, daggone it, I hit, my rooster just hit me in the back of the head. Look, my rooster, you see that? He just pecked the back of my head. Oh, I'm sorry, okay. Back to the video. I've been pecked by a rooster. Oh, good grief. We ordered for dinner last night. We had Domino's. Yeah, this is Domino's, right? Yeah, this is Domino's. And I got a bread bowl pasta and didn't eat it all. So watch what we're going to do here. All of you want to say poor Rob? Go ahead. But this is going to be good. I'm going to take all the noodles out. All the guts and all the inside. Take it all out of the bread. You wait. You wait. Oh, poor Rob, my poor husband. It's a good thing he loves me, and you know, it's just a good thing he loves me. But we don't want this bread bowl to go to waste. And I didn't eat all the, oh, come on now. I'm going to eat this for lunch. That's going to be for lunch. But what we have left is the bread bowl thing, the bread bowl part. And we're going to stick that on this cookie sheet, and we're going to cut this in like pieces and hunks. We're just chunking it up. And there, we have bread. No waste. We're not wasting the Domino's bread bowl. We're going to eat it for dinner tonight with our lasagna rolls. Yeah, anybody out there in YouTube land that wants to send us some food, some real food. Poor Rob. I just say poor Rob all the time, but he's handling this very well because he went through my back surgery and my neck surgery with me. And honestly, that year, I was in bed the entire year. I was in bed more than I was out of bed, resting and relaxing. And because of my fibromyalgia, things that I get hit me twice as hard, and they always do, and I know that. So I knew when I had COVID, it was going to take me a long time to get through this. My mom is doing pretty good. She's still coughing a little bit. Again, there goes my well. She's still coughing a little bit, and she gets tired easily now too. But we're making it. We're making it through this. All right. I'll see you in my next video. Can't wait for that, can ya?